Just spotted an, oh dear. It's still got white, there it is. Wow! A deer in the churchyard at Addington Village, would you believe it? Flipping it, I thought I saw something moving. God blimey. How the hell did it get in here? That's just crazy. Oh. Let's see if I can catch it again. Oh. Yep. I think I'm downwind as well. Oh, there it goes. You don't have to shit yourself. It's not like I'm going to hurt you. Let's come from Addington Palace. It won't be smelling me. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Frozen to the spot. So you get a good look at it. And I'm in green as well. Amazing. So adorable. Frozen. And I don't even have any headlights. Right, I'm going to disappear behind this ivy. Hello? Who's beautiful? Eh? Yes. And now it's having a squat. Wow. Amazing, isn't it? Absolutely amazing. Deer in the churchyard at Addington Village, St Mary's. Well, that was a treat. Yeah, I've had a good shower, so probably didn't smell me. Heard, maybe, see, but definitely didn't. Oh.